Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both the Kenwood unit and your phone. First, confirm the unit supports voice control and update firmware when needed. This avoids incompatibility. Next, enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and pair the phone, keeping it within 1 to 2 meters. Make sure the remote mic or phone battery is above 50% and set the unit volume around 50% so voice recognition hears you clearly. Once paired, press the voice button to enter listening mode and get ready to issue commands. Now configure the voice settings to match your environment. Open the Kenwood voice menu and choose language, wake word, and noise reduction level. This determines how tolerant it is to background sound. Run the microphone calibration routine and read the sample phrases slowly because calibration trains the system to your voice. After that, tweak sensitivity and feedback audio so prompts are audible but not intrusive. Make sure to save the profile. Once saved, your voice commands will be more reliable across drives. You can now use natural commands for navigation, calls, and media control. Speak concisely and pause between phrases. If the unit mishears you, repeat the command or try a different phrase and make sure the microphone sensitivity isn't too low. If problems persist, restart the Kenwood unit, unpair and repair your phone, and verify firmware is current. One key troubleshooting tip: move the mic away from open windows or vents. Wind and HVAC noise are common causes of failed recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.